Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Google new AI based coding IDE that is called Antigravity. So I'm going to show you how you can install it on your Windows laptop or PC. So let's get started. So this is the Google's new IDE that is based on AI, and AI you can code on a traditional manner, and also you can generate code by using AI. So first of all, go to your browser as always, and here just type antigravity Google. This is their official website. Just type this one. You can also type anti-gravity and search it for, and their official website will be appear. And after that, you can see this is their interface. On the right corner here is the download option. Click it and scroll down a little bit, and here are three types of OS that is available here. That is my Mac OS, Windows and Linux. So Windows and Mac has two variant. I'm gonna download it. This one download for 64 because my PC is 64-bit. So click it and it will start downloading automatically. But as I already previously downloaded this one, I have this on my PC. So this is 152 MB, and I'm going to the containing folder here. And to install it, all I have to do is simply double click it, and here just select run, and here is the installation wizard, and just click I accept the agreement, click next. This is the default folder. You can change it as you like, but I'm going to keep it as it is and select next. You can also change the folder name, select next. So I want to create a desktop icon, so I'm going to select it and select next again, select next, and it will prepare to install. So now we have to wait to completely finish the installation process on your PC. As you can see, the installation bar is progressing, so wait for it to install it fully on your PC. As you can see, my installation process is complete, so I'm going to select the finish option here, and after that you can see the desktop icon is appeared here. I'm going to double click to open the software, and this is your interface. As you can see, this is the AI toolbox here that is currently here, and here I can select the file option. Here I can edit, I can get selected and view. There are a lot of stuff that you can do just like as normal IDE. And here you can also like create your profile, select themes, all kind of stuff you can do. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next time.